Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making Choco-Flan, my two favorite desserts, chocolate cake and custard combined. This recipe is inspired by Raimundo, or as we call him, Mr. Mysterio, in Cozumel, our dive master and instructor. We miss him a lot. The recipe and the links to the products you see us using here will be in the description below, along with the link to our cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie. And please subscribe, hit the smooshy notification bells, show a little love to the Little House of Beans. I am ready to make this scrumptious 2-in-1 dessert. Let's bake.